The adults-only The Beach Tulum Hotel offers a beautiful setting on Tulum Beach within 7 kilometers of its famous Mayan ruins. It features beachfront rooms with terraces and lounge area, an outdoor pool, beach club and a restaurant, on-site spa and on-site shop. Each luxurious, beachfront room has stylish, minimalist decor. Each air-conditioned accommodation includes free Wi-Fi and a seating area. Guests can enjoy full breakfast either in the Ziggy's restaurant or Fresco's. Ziggy's Beach Club serves drinks and snacks from 9 o'clock until sunset. Tulum National Park is less than 4 kilometers from the hotel, while the town center is 10 minutes drive away. Cancun is within 140 kilometers away and Playa del Carmen is within 60 kilometers away. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.